Hello, I'm Tony Welsh. I'm Cloud Management Specialist at VMware, and I have an opportunity to work on the vRealize Operations Labs this year. And you know, vRealize Operations is a great self-driving IT management tool for your private, hybrid, and public cloud environments. It will give you full stack visibility of your physical, your virtual, and your cloud environments so that you can see your virtual machines, you can understand what's happening from a container level, and you get application services. So this visibility will then allow you to continuously optimize the environment, understand how to reclaim the resources that are no longer in use, and do some capacity modeling, what the cost might be associated with those resources, and then get some compliance data on whether your environment is consistent throughout. So I hope you can take that lab, the vRealize Operations and What's New lab. And there's three main topics that you will focus on. First one is around container support, specifically vSphere with Kubernetes, and virtual volumes, and then also multi-cloud monitoring. And I would highly recommend after you take the What's New lab, there's a lot of great other vRealize Operations labs that have a lot of different advanced topics.